Welcome to Building Bridges 2024, the Youth Exchange and Debate Tournament. During one whole week, students from Curaçao, Aruba, and Bonaire join together here in Curaçao so they can get workshops, and this weekend we have the debate tournament. The students from all three countries get judged by the best judges of Curaçao and the Netherlands to determine who is going to be the winner of Building Bridges. They are greatly prepared, they have all of the tools, all of the skills, and now it's up to them to show this.
Is uiteindelijk beter beantwoord door het team in de oppositie Curaçao A.